Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. It's a single family house that's 37 Hill Street in Shrewsbury, right off 290 in Worcester. I would say it's probably about a 5-minute drive to the city. And I just want to start by showing you the outside of the house because this place has a lot of parking spaces. So in the driveway alone, I mean, you could probably fit 5 to 6 cars, and then you have this one covered space right here, as well as a 2-car garage. It's not connected to the inside of the house, but I can pull it up and show you the inside right there. So this is the 2-car garage right here. So that, as well as all this driveway space and the covered space. And then we can come right through the side door. So you kind of get this mudroom area, as like kind of right before you get in the house. That's the back of the mudroom. Then you come here right straight into the kitchen. So you got your area right here. You know, you could definitely fit like a table over in there, as well as the dining room space. And this is your kitchen. So plenty of cabinet space, built-ins, nice fixture and architecture, craftsmanship on those. Here's the stainless steel fridge, brand new. We also have brand new dishwasher coming in. So you get the dishwasher with the full oven, range, and the microwave up here. So all the stainless steel appliances that you could want, and that dishwasher is coming in very soon. We'll go here. This is the dining room. So to get a nice area for your dining room table and the light fixtures right here, and you just get a beautiful view of this backyard. And yes, this is available for your use. So you just come out here, and that's the adjacent living quarters over there for the neighbor. And yeah, so just a really nice backyard, a lot of space. Coming through here, you have a functional fireplace in the living room, plus, you know, very wide right here. I should mention the baseboards are the heating, and this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single family house. So as you can see, there's the fireplace right there. And as you keep going here, you can see the other side of the hallway that goes to the kitchen with the stairs in the middle. Right here, walk-in coat closet right there. And in here you have the half bathroom. So just for anyone on the first floor that needs the bathroom right here, you got the sink and the toilet right there with the heating and the nice light coming through here. A lot of light in this apartment, very bright apartment. Very quickly, I'm just gonna run down to the basement. So this can be used as extra storage or kind of whatever have you. So I'll just back up. Here's the oil heater. It is oil heating. And you can see it right here. So that's the basement right there. Now we're gonna go up and see the second floor where you have the 4 bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms. All right, so we're gonna start out with the master bedroom right here. A lot of space in this bedroom. You know, you could put a bed and a couch and a TV in here if you wanted to, or kind of just whatever you think would work best. A lot of outlets in this room and in, you know, the adjacent rooms. So you got kind of a full, you know, really long closet, a lot of space with the 2 hangers. And here's the master bathroom. So here's the toilet right here, the sink, mirror, and the shower. So you have a nice shower right here attached to the master bedroom. If you are living in one of the other bedrooms, you may find it more convenient to use the other full bathroom that's right here in the hallway. So toilet right here, sink, mirror, and here's the shower. So nice tiling on the shower, very good. And nice dome light up there. As you come in here, this kind of like was a closet at some point, but you can still use it for storage. It's just kind of nice to have the light come through the unit, but just a good place for you to pack some stuff, or you can get creative do other things with the space, it's kind of all yours to play around with. Here is one of the other bedrooms. So there's 3 other bedrooms. This is one of the 4, including the master bedroom. So right here, you can see you have the baseboard heating. It's a master bathroom down the hall. Master bedroom. And right here you have a closet. Closets are all pretty similar in size, I would say. Some hallway storage, more of it right over here. Just some nice shelving. As you come in here, this is bedroom number 3. So you have the nice eating closet, definitely enough room for like a queen size bed and night table. And you know, if you have a desk and you want to set that up, this sounds great too. And you come in here. There you go. This is the 4th bedroom, just to give you a good idea of the space. And the closet there. And you get the nice view of the backyard over here as well. And yeah, so this has been Nicholas Puerto from Nexus Property Management showing you this nice 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment. It's probably gonna go quick, so if you'd like to set up a showing, just go to nexuswor.com. That's nexuswor.com. Go to our for rent page and find all of our vacancies there, and you'll find a number to contact to set up a showing at any time with me. And once again, this has been Nicholas from Nexus Property Management, signing off.